Alright guys, what's going on? Today in this short video we'll be going over how to add images and icons to our GUI application. Now no matter how your GUI application is, it should contain at least one image. It may be an icon, a logo, an image, or something else. So now let's begin. First thing is to just drag the image you want to use to the same working directory you're on. So to do that, you can just go there and just drag this and just paste it in the directory, or maybe you can just go back and actually just copy it. So that's how you can add the image you want to use. So now let's create an object. So I'm gonna call my images, and I'm gonna set this equal to photo image, and then I'm going to pass in the file that I want to use. So this, I'm going to pass in a file, and I'm going to call this the image that you want to use. Since it is in the same directory, you don't need to add any file, but just copy relative path and then just paste it there. So now that you have actually done that, you have to set a photo inside the label. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to call this label, and I'm going to set this label equal to a label, and I'm going to set it to root like we did in the other tutorials. And after I call this root, I'm going to call image, and I'm going to set this image to the images that I created. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it. So after we've done all this, all we just have to do is just to pack them into the windows, that is the root windows that were created. So I'm gonna come here and just gonna say label dot pack. So I'm gonna run this and see. Sorry, that's a capital letter. So you can actually see that it did work. So depending on the size of the image, that will give you the same output. If I use maybe an image with maybe a smaller resolution, it's gonna bring it differently. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.